Hello guys, good morning, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back actually with a pretty good trade. It's been a while since I had this, you know, two clean trades. And I was also stopping out break even, re-entering, even though I made enough already here. It's just wanna that's it's been a while since I had a good trades and also 6 minute trade. So I'm gonna make a recap now before I even overtrade if I'm gonna overtrade, but I promise I'm not gonna overtrade. I'm just gonna shut down, close my laptop, and move on for the day. Yeah, so Tesla, there's a seller here, 240, this 244.50 area. Like it's obvious. Not sure if you can see time and sales, so I know you can. Um, it's yeah, you can really tell someone's really selling hard on this area here. But if this breaks out, I don't know. I don't think even it's a short. It's actually just dumping shares at this area here. So yeah. So for me, a trade was above this 243.30. This 243.30. Where did I get this level? Let's look. And this I have this 242.02. I can't remember where I got these levels, but I need to check. Sec. Yeah. So here are the levels that I have. 242.02, 240.70. So those are the levels I have. 245, I didn't have that. It's just like one area where I will be either, if it's above that, I'll be long. Even though I was anticipating for a long breakout of that, so that's manageable. Or 242. Yeah, so 242.02. I really can't remember where I got those. Uh, 242.02. Yeah, so it's this low here. Yeah, so this is where. No, that's the other level. 243.30. It's this level, so I don't know where I got that. Uh, it's been there. It's always been my level. You have to find it. It's just somewhere. I'm sorry about that. But I was a little long bias in Tesla because if you look at the longer time frame, there's this a downtrend pattern where it's kind of breaking out now. And I said if it's holding above 242, I'm gonna take it long, or above this 243.03, I'm gonna take it long for maybe 247 target. But the thing is, there was a seller at 245. I don't have a level for 245, but yeah, that's basically the plan, to break this trend line here. But there's still a level here. If you look at Tesla, there's still a level to gap close. So this 235 level here. Um, okay, so there's this 235.23 level here. Also, I was thinking it's gonna touch this 240 area moving average before it even goes to 235. So, it could sell off if it touches 247, goes back to 235. That's not a big candle in case it goes there. So it can actually just, at the end of the day, it can reject 247, go to 235. It's if it wants to close this gap. So yeah, that's kind of like my thought process for the day. Um, like if it loses this 240.70, it's gonna gap close. Yeah, 240.70, 240.70. That's the level here. So yesterday's low. Um, there's 235 on the next target, but it's probably gonna resist at 240. So 240 is a big round number. Yeah. So let's look here. So let's look at my levels. 240 is kind of like the EMA of I think 50 EMA, 20 EMA. So that's the 20 EMA from Finbis. Okay, so sellers are now getting squeezed, or shorts, whoever's short here. But seriously, man, you can really always play with short here at 245. But we're done for the day. I don't want to mess this around. Actually, we didn't want to hold my shares anymore because I said I'm gonna get the full move. I want to get the full move of the stock, and that's it. I'm done for the day. And I don't want to get FOMO. Sometimes I don't care anymore if it moves more, as long as I make the profit that I need. Done for the day. Yeah. So yeah, so it's rejecting this 246. Actually, if you're short bias, you can always look for a candle of indecision or a red candle like this, but like a reverse hammer candle or indecision candle. Don't go long on a white candle here. The reason I was long here because this is previous day close 241.05, so that's it. Will kind of like previous day close will kind of bounce at the area, and I have this 247.70 level there. That's why I was confident. So what happened was I took it long when it became white candle, so it dipped down. So that's nice wick. So I used the risk of this. So it was like a dollar risk, taking profit. Yeah, so I was like, it was having a hard time 245, so I was taking more. So I was almost out of shares here actually, and then I stopped out like small left, and I said I'm gonna watch for another opportunity. Actually, I was waiting for 240 area, but the thing is, as you can see at this candle here, okay, as you can see in this candle here, it moved about $3, almost $3. So that's like a big move. I didn't take a long here right away. I said I need to wait for a little bit more exhaustion, and then take it long. And then I saw this 241.05 from yesterday's close. I took a long there, another dollar risk. So that was a 1-to-1 move. So 2-to-1 move, and then all the way to 4-to-1 move. But of course, I didn't catch the whole move because I was slowly taking partials, right? So I was taking more partials at $1 move. Yeah, it's a 241.10. See, as you can see here, small partials here because this was a 242.02. I thought it's going to reject that, so I was taking a little bit more partial, and then a little bit more partial here, and then all the way here, and then I was all out at 245. I don't normally get all out, but I said, we caught the whole move. We should just get out and then be happy for the day. If we become too greedy, then it'll mess up the day. Yeah, so that's it for the day for me, and yeah, nothing really fancy. Let's see where it is now. Okay, so it's kind of resisting this area here. There's two blue levels. It looks like it's this volume, yeah. So there's volume here. This is probably just squeezing a little bit, and it's probably gonna sell off. That's what I feel because there was a downgrade for the stock. Um, there's not much signs where you would want to short this because the volume is not that crazy on this one. And Tesla likes to reject half round number level. So 246.50, it rejected that. Okay, if it stays around this area at 246, you can probably short it 246. And all the way to 241. Uh, let's look at 15 minutes where the stock is. Oh, it's so messy. Let's remove this. Yeah, so the downtrend is gone. So I was telling you, right? So there was kind of like a downtrend here. That downtrend, but if it holds this 243, and then maybe it's probably actually gonna recover. So the 15-minute candle, if you look, it's indecision, so it doesn't really know where it's gonna go. There's buyers, there's sellers, both sides. There's actually more sellers, as you can see, this area here, but it's making higher highs, higher lows. So probably a good short if it goes below 243 again, but a wider stop. Or if you want to start shorting at 245 if you're confident. But let's look at 5-minute candles. Yeah, so this really a seller at 245. Yeah, it didn't even close. I mean, it closed above 245, but you see, we're done for the day. We don't want to mess this up. Yeah, that's it. And have a good day. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media accounts. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Hopefully, if I have time.